Hello everyone. My name is Mayank Kushwaha and I'm from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this video lecture series, we shall be covering the syllabus of fundamental of mechanical engineering. And especially I would be talking about unit number 3, which is refrigeration and air conditioning. So in this lecture series, I shall be covering these topics, which you can look at here. First, I shall be covering refrigeration, in which I shall be talking about refrigerating effect, ton of refrigeration, which is basically the unit of refrigeration system. How do we measure the performance characteristic of a refrigeration system? This is also we are going to cover. Also, we can be discussing about how can we use a refrigeration system, or what should be the condition to use a refrigeration system as a heat pump. Also, what are different type of methods of refrigeration that have been developed over a period of time? These will be discussed. And finally, I'll be talking about what is the construction and working of domestic refrigerator. Similarly, I shall be touching upon a few topics related to air conditioning also. What is the meaning and its application of air conditioning system? What are some terms, terminologies related to air conditioning processes, which we generally call as psychrometry? So the terminologies I hope many of us are already familiar with, such as humidity, relative humidity, what are different type of temperatures which are associated with air conditioning. I'm also going to talk about these things. I'll also talk about comfort conditions, specifically called human comfort conditions. What are those parameters which decide whether we feel comfortable in a particular environment or not? Are the some things which we are going to talk about in subsequent lectures. And finally, I'll be talking about the construction and working of a window air conditioner. So this is the syllabus of this unit number 3, which is refrigeration and air conditioning systems. And from the syllabus, you must have got the idea that this is a very short topic, very short unit. So I'm sure you must already have got the idea that the topics that we are going to talk about in this unit are merely superficial. It's merely touching upon the subject refrigeration and air conditioning. So some of the references which I shall be using here is one of the most popular book of refrigeration and air conditioning, CP Arora. Another textbook that we may refer is the book by Professor R.S. Khurmi. And one of the most popular books for fundamentals of mechanical engineering, which is designed as per AKTU syllabus, is by D.S. Kumar. To find the syllabus of this subject, you can just visit this website, AKTU website. The link is given over here. Right. So in this lecture, I've just told you that what we are going to do in over the few lectures. And from next lecture onwards, I shall be starting talking about some of the topics. Right. Thank you.